Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think I have decided to let this be like a three-part series because since my last time I did my makeup, I've gotten new products. And so anytime I get new products, I like to tell you all about them. And instead of me making like one really long makeup thing about all my products, I'm just going to do 3 different ones. So the one I just did was about my foundation. So at the moment, all I have on is my foundation and concealer, and that is by IT. But now I'm going to show you a little bit. We're going to focus more on my eyes, okay? Oh, eyes and cheeks. And so here we go. I'm still sold on Airspun. At the moment, I can't find anything that is, because I use a lot of this, and because I use a lot of it, I don't really want to go to a more expensive product. But again, I still like to bake under my eyes. So here we go. So what happened is, like I told you in my foundation video, that I went Christmas shopping and bought some concealer and changed. Anyway, gave Savannah Christmas presents, and then she gave me Christmas presents. And this is what Savannah gave to me. 2 palettes by Tarte, okay? One is Tarteist. Please excuse me if I'm saying this wrong, Tarte people. But it's their Pro Glow, and then this is their eyeshadow. And wow, I think they're so pretty. So with this Pro Glow, I've never used anything like it before. I've tried it, but I've not been really successful with it. But I have been trying this, and at the moment, I'm really liking it. Notice how I say at the moment, because what will happen is I'm going to see pictures of me, and I'm going to hate it. But here we go. So these are the products that they come with. This is like a little, this right here I could probably use to shade my nose, but it's just way too dark and I can't do it. And this is a cream. This is more of a powder. A couple of times I've like tried to contour like my chin area, but I'm just not very consistent with this. So these are all the little glow colors. At the moment, I'm liking Fire the most because I have really dark skin and it looks nice. But I've been using all of them. So I just get my brush and I just go a little bit here. I don't know if this is the proper way, y'all. Okay, this is how I've been doing it. And I go right on top of my cheekbone. Like that. And that's it. That's all I do. Seriously, that's all I do. So that's all I use out of this. So this will probably last me like a million years. Okay, then after I use that, then I go back to my Airspun. This is the darker color. This is suntan because, like I said, my skin's really dark, and so it just needs to match my skin. And I just get the brush, tap it, and I just kind of blend it. Like I blend in my baking powder, and then just blend everything in. And also, like I feel like I look a little oily, and so I do not like. I don't like me looking very glowy and oily because I feel like it makes me look older. I think when you're younger and older women, you wear what you want to wear. This is just my personal opinion. I don't like to wear very dark lips, and I don't like to wear a strong line under my eyes, and I don't like my face to look glowy because I feel like it makes me look old. Alright, so that was Tarte. This is one of the things I use on my cheeks, and I really like it, and it lasts all day long. Laura Gellar. And this is called Tropic Hues. It's Baked, Blush, and Brighten. Okay? A little goes a long, long, long way. I've had this for a month, and I don't even know if you can tell I use it. Use a little brush. Okay, and that's it. So this is Laura Gellar, and anything I've put on my face I'll put in the description. But I guess I'm mostly talking about Tarte and Laura Gellar. Okay, so now to my eyeshadow. Can you see how pretty that is? And I do wish that they kind of gave you a little bit more of these colors, because I feel like I'm going to run out of these before I run out of all the accent colors. But I tend to use the classic a little bit more, and I put it all over my whole eyelid. Alright, now you all don't have to do this, but I tend to that if I have like a little pink shirt on, I may try to go a little bit more pink with my eyeshadow. I may try to match it a little bit. So let's see. I'm gonna try Mod right here. So I put a little bit on, tap it. I even blow it a little bit because these colors are really bold. Now, I'm going to say this over and over again. Every time I do my eyeshadow, I do not go into this crease right here. I do not do that, because that makes my eyes look sunken in, and then it gives my eyes a downturn like this, okay? So do you see this bone part right here? I paint on that bone, if that makes sense, okay? And then I tap it normally too. Like lines and creases, okay? Okay, but do you see how I'm not in my eye crease? Like, I mean, I do the eye crease, but I also go above the eye crease. Where I noticed when I just did the eye crease, it made my eyes look kind of deep set, and it made my eyes look like they were turning down, which I think they naturally do. I think they turn down. I think normally I look like this, like that, because my face is all crooked. I had to show y'all like all my messed up flaws, because like my face is like, honestly, is like so jacked up. Like, it's like uneven and all sorts of stuff. What I like about this is that when y'all see me do like my Insta stories at night, that is makeup that has been on all day. The only thing I may freshen up at times is my lipstick. That's it. Everything else has been on my face all day long. I do not like to refresh in my makeup. I like to put it on. I like for it to stay on. But that's really all I do for my eyeshadow. That's it. So I bought this for my underbrow thing, but I just realized I didn't use it, wasn't blending it in the way I want it to, and so I just, for the fun of it, tried something different, and I really like it. I've been putting it in the white of my eye and in the corner of my eye. I've tried this with other like highlighter eyeliners before, and what happened is it would cake up on my lashes, and I didn't like the way that looked. But with this one, I really like it, and it's on my brow. But as you all know, I never use the products the way they are intended. So there we go. I'll write this down in the description. Then I go back with this. Do you see how that is a smudge brush? And I'll go back maybe with the same color or a different color. But like I said, I don't like harsh lines under my eyes, so I'm probably just going to do the same color because that's pretty. And I go right along my lash line. Alright, and then that's it. That's really it. That's all the eyeshadow I do. I will curl my lashes, put my lashes on, and I'll do my eyebrows. But that's it as far as my eye makeup goes. So at the moment, I've been using Tarte eyeshadows. I really like them. These are pretty colors. This is the Tarte Pro y'all have bad eyesight. Amazonian Day palette. I'll type it out at the bottom. But that's what this is. And then they're Tarte Glow. And I really like these as well. And for the record, none of these are ads. These are just products either I bought or Savannah gave to me as a gift, and I really like it. Okay, so hope you enjoyed that video. As this was a 3-part series, so I've actually done like all of these together, and I'm going to separate them, edit them, so I hope there's no confusion. But this one was about eyes and cheeks, and I will put all the products down so you can see if you like them yourself. And I hope you enjoy it. I think I found some better lighting, so next time I record some videos, I think this may be the best route to go. So here is the makeup, and my eyebrows are the same product, and my mascara is the same product. And maybe I'll put that in the description as well. But all the makeup I'd use will be in the description. None of this is advertising, it's just stuff that I've used. So this was Tarte and Laura Gellar, I think. Laura Gellar or Laura Gellar. But anyway, okay, so if you want to watch like my last video, which was on my foundation, click here. And if you want to watch, no, if you want to subscribe, click here. And if you want to visit my website, you can click here. And as always, you can follow me on social media, which Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of that is Sheri LaBrant. All right, so you all have a wonderful week.